Here we are with
you know what? I left my phone.
Sister Melissa, First Mate Karen, Captain Rick. We're just leaving Manatee Bay. We're gonna go out for some trout, some ladyfish fishing, maybe some other stuff. What do you think?
Can we get some boy fish?
Yeah,
All right.
some boy fish with the ladyfish. All right, here we go.
Oh, you did your good deed for the day.
The girls thought it was awesome. Everybody boys. The rest of them didn't.
What you doing, Melissa?
I tried to. They're looking at me like they're gonna kill me. Shut. You bad boy. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I can't do it. He's gonna hurt me.
They're not gonna, well, their little mouth parts are pokey, but they don't bite.
Yeah, just gotta grab them.
Maybe you could kill him first.
Oh, that's
Nobody, the fish won't bite.
It's like live shrimp, they just move around.
Yeah, sure.
There we go.
Thank you. Sorry, big brother.
It's all right.
What'd you get?
I got a trout.
Cool, on your second
Even
shrimp.
though I put the shrimp on backwards.
Maybe when you cast it, you popped him on the head and he didn't take time to look.
Whoa.
That's a nice fish. That's a nice one. I don't think he's 15. Here, hold this. It's between.
Oh, I didn't hook him too bad either.
Oh, yeah, not too bad. Let's measure just for reference.
Okay.
And 14.
Oh,
1 inch short.
Try again. I see Splash. Is he still on there?
Yeah. Little fish on the top water.
There he comes. Trout.
I
Yep.
got something.
All right.
That's a nice one.
Whoa! Look at her rod go.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh!
Hand me the.
That was probably a 16-inch or two.
Anything chasing that top water? Up, up. He tried. You got it. You
got
actually
him.
did get it.
Ah!
Got him on the top water.
Way to go.
Trout on the top water.
It's not all that small. You said he was a little one.
Yeah, this one you gotta be careful because that shovel hook should get you. You gotta get a good grip on it. The fish is tough like that. I'm gonna need those pliers.
Okay.
That one.
All right, Melissa. I think they're all about the same size here.
Oh, he jumped off. Nice. I like that.
I do too. Unless they're about 19 inches
Yeah,
long.
then, yeah. They sure are biting though. I don't have to do much except try to keep it on.
All righty, got that one.
In the top water?
No, you go ahead.
How did he get it already? I hardly felt anything. I'm getting smarter.
Trout on the top water.
Same size, same school. Something's following that.
Yeah.
Same size.
Yeah.
Look right there.
Oh.
He was feisty. He didn't want to give up.
Entertaining.
You want to try this?
I know. I'm kind of getting used to my live shrimp.
Melissa, reel it in more. Don't have it so long, and it might go out further for you when you fling it.
It'll drop off before I get them in.
No, it won't. You did get one. How many is that on that lure?
I got 6 or 7 pieces.
Hey, settle down. Settle
Sit
down.
on, Sparky.
Settle
Melissa's got one. They're just volunteering to come into the boat today.
down. You're trying to give me a good show. Huh. All right, you know what? Okay. There. You happy? Why don't you just jump off? I think it's in there pretty deep.
Is it?
You keep breathing. Yeah. All right. I know CPR if you need help. Yes. They're pretty. I like their spots.
And that gold color
Uh-huh.
that just
They're
flashes.
prettier fishes, I think.
Okay, Melissa might need a hand. Rick, you got one on the
Oh, hi, you want that?
soft
Oh,
plastic.
look at this. Oh, he took my fish.
Oh no!
I let him have it.
Oh
I
no!
held it over there and I gave it to him.
Thief! Thief! Look at him swallow your trout.
You're
Oh my
welcome,
God!
Barney. You're welcome. That was so cool.
Was he under there?
He just popped up when I had the fish here. I said, hey, you want one?
Dang it, Melissa. It was on and I must have pushed it twice. It went off. So I didn't get the cormorant.
Where's that guy?
That's a nice one. He's gonna be
He's
14
pretty.
hands.
Look at him.
Uh-oh. I think he swallowed it.
Right here.
Where's the oh, there it is.
Connie says go that way. We'll try that way.
See, that fish was big for him, Melissa. See what he's doing?
Oh yeah, you brought it back up?
No,
He's trying to swallow it?
this guy over here is too.
Got another trout.
Come on, baby.
Nice fish, a little small.
This rag's getting pretty ripped.
Now I'll get you a fresh rag.
Oh. Could have jumped off. Ooh, he's got 2 teeth. He got 2 teeth, Rich.
Yeah?
Yeah, look
Okay.
at 2 teeth.
Oh yeah, he's a double dagger there.
He's a teenager.
Got one, Karen? Karen's got one on the soft plastic. Oh, that's a nice one.
Ooh. Pretty.
I'm gonna need you to take this one off, Rick.
All right,
I got a big trout this time.
another trout on the,
Look at him.
oh, that's a nice one. On the soft plastic. Pretty nice fish. Yeah, I'd say he's 14. Not quite a keeper.
Nope. Oh, stop.
Need a hand with that one?
I do.
This has got live shrimp on. Oh, looks like he got the shrimp that time.
Got a little bit of it.
Oh, nice cast, Karen. Look at that.
That's where the last one was. Let's see if he's there again.
Yeah. That's it. Give it a little, as you're reeling, give it a little bit of twitch. Keep the line taut.
We're trying to get it.
Fish on for Karen on the artificial.
Corny.
quit. The art of baiting a hook.
All right, take a nap.
Using some live shrimp in here. There you go. Very good. Well, listen to the trout. Oh, a nice one, about 14. We have not caught one keeper yet, but we've caught dozens of almost keepers.
Right. Oh, he's off. He's off.
That was
Fish
convenient.
Fish off.
Here we are, back Manatee Canal after a good day of fishing. First mate has got the controls of the boat. Sister Melissa here having a good time. And we did okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I think we caught more fish than every 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, Melissa figured out that if there were 3 dozen shrimp, we probably only lost about 6 of those shrimp without bringing a fish in between the 3 of us. So
Yeah.
that's at least 30 fish plus what you caught on the artificial.
Yeah, we caught over 60 fish today. And no keeper trout though, a lot of 14 inches, but no 15 inches. Overall, a good day. Signing out.